Welcome to Job Posting and Solutions, where every role meets its perfect match.
Today I'm bringing you an exciting vacancy opportunity. So let's move on. Sapphire Finishing Mill, Apparel Unit, Lahore, Assistant Manager Dyeing, Lead Dyeing Operation for the leading apparel manufacturing for shade matching and chemical handling to quality control and team leadership. What you will bring: dyeing process, shade matching, chemical handling, quality standard, team leadership. So the location is Apparel Unit 35, 3.5 kilometer Raven Road, Lahore. How to apply? hr@sapphiremills.com. Please mention the position title in the subject line of your email. So what you waiting for? Apply now and get a chance to being selected.